Mondragon Assembly is an international group specializing in the development of automation and assembly solutions. In these 40 years, we have grown and expanded around the world. That's thanks to the success of our customers and the confidence we have received from them. We have claimed customer orientation, efficiency, and innovation. We have developed more than 1,000 projects, encourage sustainable development, and reach international presence. That last one is the reason for creating an international working team, which is now traveling through our 6 productive plants and creating unique knowledge. That means a global solution for international customers. Our international team is exclusively dedicated to global projects and transferring know-how between plants. We have vast experience and knowledge of a wide range of products and their assembly processes. Mondragon Assembly offers unique engineering for same standards worldwide. This provides price reduction, less hours of management for customers, and less travel costs, among others. We are a global interlocutor and engineering team, always adapting to our customers' local requirements, providing local manufacturing, installation, and after-sales service with local trained technicians. In addition to project engineering, we offer our customers assistance and collaboration, advice for best solutions, design and engineering of concept proposals, and prototype development. We can collaborate with our customers on design complying with European standards and its subsequent adaptation to different countries and line configurations. All our solutions are tested before final implementation, so we can develop prototypes for the most critical operations. Mondragon Assembly has become a European benchmark for automation and assembly technologies. If you are international, we are too. Mondragon Assembly Global Projects. With us, it's possible.